is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah.
The program where they come on our way this special day, now the program where they call Area Tori for Procyon Radio and Television. And this wonderful day, I deal with Gloria Enoch for studio. Gloria, you are welcome. And we want to welcome all of you now, where they watch us or listen to us right now. We want to say we get better to the one where they carry come. And if una want get us, we there for different social media handle. We there for YouTube, we there for Instagram, we there for TikTok. Una go get us. Me una just type Procyon RTV. If una type Procyon RTV, una go just see our social media handle go just open. I go just see our videos what we don't do before. Make una like, subscribe, make una share. I beg. Now those things now we need. We really need una make una help us, make una like. Make una subscribe if una never subscribe, and make una share the video. Make una not just watch the video, just the pass they go like that. That the things what we need now with the beg una say make una dey do for us. Like, make una subscribe, make una also share the video, and God go bless una. Thank una for doing that thing right now. My name is Sarah Agbo. Like I say, I deal with Gloria Enoch for studio. The Tori what they carry come give una today. Na the story of one lady wey be say she get pikin and she wan marry, she no tell her new person wey she wan marry. Gloria, the story be say this lady as she wan marry, she been get pikin for house. So this guy now when he meet her, him believe say na just single girl na him meet. And this girl can't keep quiet. She not tell am her life story. Say, see wetin happened to me before. See the experience where I get to. I even get pikin for house. But see as it take happen, no be say I like her. The lady can't keep quiet. They can't carry relationship go. So say the man can't go do engagement. He can't pay her down. He can't do everything. They wait for white wedding. As in they wait for white wedding. Now somehow that very week of the wedding, now somebody come tell the man say, you know say as it be, the girl don't tell you. Now he say no, the girl no tell him. Now there now the guy pack up. He say if this girl go fit hide this kind of thing for her, it mean say the girl he no go fit trust her for the marriage. So wetin you go do be say just even the ring wey I give you, everything wey I buy, no worry, carry am go. I no go collect anything from you. But the marriage don end. Yeah. We no go marry again. Gloria.
My people, I greet una again. We don't come back again for this story. So now only for this station, now una go hear this kind of story. You no fit hear am from another place. So that is why we start to tell una now. You auntie Kai, you don't do bad though. I didn't say you just tell and say, but just tell and open, tell and say, as you don't say you go marry me. I get pikin for house, so I don't born before. But no be say I like am more, but as it happen, it better make I born than to say I go come out and throw away. Because if I feel go come out and it go affect me for tomorrow. But I don't born am the pikin day. If you go marry me with my pikin. You go tell am like that, you go hear wetin he go talk. If na the man wey say if he marry you with the pikin, he go marry you. If the one wey say no go fit, he go. Than for you to hide am. Make you reach the day, they don't do everything. The day they don't reach. They don't do ayamas. Make them say go. Now this thing come happen like that. You know sweet. You know sweet and too. Even though he tell you say carry everything, good go. He don't forgive you. But the marriage no go there again. So you know say now you lose.
As he even tell us when she carry everything go now, the girl they cry now. She they cry because the thing pain her enter her body. She come dey talk say na disgrace na it happen to her.
Na disgrace.
Then who come cause am?
Now you cause am. If I tell her right from the beginning, say my man, see wetin happen no. Na so my life be o. He go see with you. If he fit endure am, he fit marry you. It happen like that. No be you be the first person. Many they marry. When you don't get children, they marry them. You get some tribe where you say, they will even ask you, the mother will say, the girl don't ever born before. The boy will say, I never knew. He will say, go find out. Same person let them find out whether you don't born before. Because some the fear say, maybe you no get womb. Maybe you no go born. Some will say, as you don't get Pikin, you go born Pikin for you, marry her. So your own for do like that. Maybe now if you just jump for that kind of love. So that disgrace for no day. But as you hide them, that is why the end become disgrace. Because anything where you hide, anything where you do in secret, where you no let person know, it always bring shame at the end.
No matter how long,
whether it take you 20 years,
you go come out.
You go come out.
Okay, how you want even get Pikin when you say you believe say you go fit stay with a man without the man knowing about this Pikin one day he must know. And the day when he know, at that time he go know say he no go ever trust
you again. That trust no there again because you hide them from him.
You know say young girls these days they think say they're wise. They no know say the way they do things no be wise, no be wisdom. According to them, they smart. I go hide the Pikin. I go do this. I go do that. You understand? By the time you think say you dey smart, you don't know say no matter how long you hide something, definitely one day you go come out.
The area where you dey, man, people they see you with, they don't know you with the Pikin now. No how. If the man self they do, you know say some men, man, if they marry girl, they go they rest shoulder. They again. If you want to show us. This girl will be second-hand girl. Person go take that one, throw word for him. The thing go shock him. Go say, he go reason against. Which can talk with this? He go do finding. No how we no go do finding because that talk where that blow they give her.
So.
He go come back and say, that person blow me for outside do. See what's in here. How it be? Now that day you want tell him. You don't go far now. So you go see bring shame.
It will still bring shame. And that shame, that time around, are the bigger one.
Maybe you don't get like 2-3 children. That first one will be your own. See, and you go say, okay. You say this one's you sure say that my own. You see, matter will come bring matter.
Yes. Yes.
Peaceful when you're not there, you go come because say every day your husband going to suspect you. So if you feel hide this thing up to this years, so that means you still get something where they hide for him.
It can't be like say even these children will be here. Maybe like the same person will give you that one. Maybe you see they come out.
Yeah, so you see, and so shame will still be at tail end. So the best thing, let them know.
Let them know because you see, but me I tell you one secret. Anytime where you see say man don't they come with love, sharp. Men make una block una ear. Una know they here. If you see say man they come sharp
to pressure you.
That time now be the time where you go open up.
Tell them everything.
Everything because that time that love they hot. The man he no go feel resist them again. And the fact where be say you open your mouth, tell them the truth at that time. Now that one go even make the man love you the more.
Yes.
The man go say, the girl they straightforward, the woman they straightforward. For her to tell me this thing. For that one set, now go make the man say love you. Not be to hide, now go make the man love you. Anything will belong to you. No matter the situation where you did that time, if you open up, talk the truth, it will belong to you. But anything will not be your own, you go see say if you open up, talk the truth. Now run, you go run because they don't like truth.
Yes.
You understand?
Like truth.
So the final advice where you go give them, Gloria.
The thing I feel still tell, make I add to wetin I don't talk. Say be the thing say truth to even for Bible where we read say
it will set you free.
Truth say the truth will set you free. Still hold on your truth. So now they hear us as we talk. So you where you say you hear that pipeline now, person they come in our house, you get Pikin for your house. No hide for them. Open up, tell and say that Pikin where they see where they call me auntie, na me born am. Tell them. Tell them say na me born am. No let person tell them for you. Tell them because that time now if they like you, they come to the house morning, afternoon, evening, afternoon, evening. If you don't tell them for afternoon, tell them in the evening. You tell them in the evening, tell them in the morning. He will hear you well and he will work well with you.
Thank you very much, Gloria Enoch, for coming to the studio. You know, say they always come here and they tell us better advice. And because she gets serious experience. And then we thank you for coming to the studio. God will bless you For listening, I dey talk say we thank you too for listening. Make una no forget, make una click that button abeg, make una subscribe, make una like, share our video, and make una also dey drop comments. At least una go fit tell us say well done, so that we go dey happy dey bring different tori for una. Abeg make una dey do am for us. God go bless una. Thank you very much. Una dey watch us for Procyon radio and television, and the program wey dey come una way na the program wey we dey call Area Tori. And this Area Tori na the program wey dey bring better tori come. If you get your own tori wey you go give us, make you just call us for this number 08094646206. Make una call us for the number and make una give us the tori. We go talk am for here. God bless una. Thank you very much. Make una dey shine like the star wey una be. My name na Sarah Agbon.
Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Oh, 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 oh. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Oh, 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 oh. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Oh, 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 oh. Where is my shoe? Where is my my shoes? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoe? Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Baby, my side. Baby, my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Anita, you go killing somebody. Yeah, Anita, you go killing somebody. Anita, you go killing somebody. Anita, you go killing somebody. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Where is my clothes? Let me my side. Let me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Anita, you go killing somebody. Anita, you go killing somebody. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary, I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary, I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary, I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoe? Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Baby, my side. Baby, my salary, I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Anita, you go kill somebody. Yeah, Anita, you go kill somebody. Anita, you go kill somebody. Anita, you go kill somebody. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Where is my clothes? Let me my side. Let me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Anita, you go kill somebody. Anita, you go kill somebody. Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my